Hi friends, welcome back to our channel of Beat Nomad. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Today we are going to visit one of the beautiful and least known tea estate in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. So let's start our journey. We have started our journey from Ambasamutram bus stand. On the way to our journey, we found Manimuttar waterfall. Manimuttar waterfall is so beautiful. It looks like as if the milk is flowing from here. We took a bus from Ambasamutram at 12:30 and we took a ticket till Oot. Oot is the last stop in this route. The first stop is Manjole. The route is really beautiful. If you are a nature lover, you will really love this place. We have reached Manjole. Here bus will halt for 20 minutes. You can have a tea and snacks and roam near around. It took us around 2 hours to reach Manjole from Ambasamutram bus stand. This is Manjoli tea estate where actually tea plantation happening. You can have a look of the tea plantation here. Government is planning to announce this place as a reserve forest. Once it become reserve forest, it would be very much difficult for a common people to visit this place. So if you are in Tirunelveli district, make sure to visit this place as soon as possible. So let's continue our journey to Oot. Here climate is really very foggy. Oh my god, it's looking so awesome from here. I never expected such a place exists in Tirunelveli itself. It's so beautiful, I cannot describe in word. You have to come here and feel what I'm feeling. We have reached Oot and it's the last stop in this route, and it took us around 45 minutes from Manjole to reach Oot. It's already 3:30 in the evening and we are feeling very much hungry. Let's check it out. Is there any hotel or something? The place is full of fog and the climate here is too cold now. There are two hotels opposite to Oot bus stop. Here hotel only prepared food according to the order. So we had just a tea and biscuit. That's it. I will share the contact detail of our hotel in the description. You can check out that and you can place the order in that hotel if you are coming to Oot. You can also inform bus conductor in Ambasamutram itself. He will place the order on behalf of you. We had some snacks in the hotels and we are now walking around the place. We found one mosque here. We are going to check it out, this place. From outside this place looks very beautiful. Mosque is closed now. So we are walking in the street of Oot State. People here have informed us that some days back there is one elephant came down till here. So they ask us to be careful. Due to COVID reason, forest department is not allowing tourists to visit this place now. There are around 3 buses which are coming to Oot now. First bus starts from Tirunelveli new bus stand around 2:30 am in the midnight. Second bus starts from Ambasamutram around 12:30 pm. Third bus you will get from Kallidekurchi bus stand around 3 pm, but I'm not sure where it starts. Due to COVID reason, Forest Department is not allowing tourists to this place, or else Forest Department have their guest house where tourists can stay. Post COVID, you can also travel by your personal vehicle. You have to take a permit from Forest Department to travel. One day before traveling, you have to go to Ambasamudram Forest Department and show them the ID proof of all the people who all are traveling, and they will provide you a permit accordingly. They are not allowing two-wheelers, so you have to travel by your four-wheeler only. At first glimpse we thought it's a garden, but it's a church. So now we are going upstairs to check it out. It's looking so beautiful from here. The church is closed. We will go backside and check it out. So the church is looking so beautiful from here. Church is really well maintained. This is Oud Tea Estate. We are now heading towards a Oud bus stand, as we are having a bus from Oud to Tirunelveli at around 6, and now it's already 5:30. If you have any question related to this place, you can ask me. I will definitely answer it. Hope we'll meet you on another superb video. Until then, bye, take care.